Congruent triangles. Two plane figures are congruent if they have exactly the same shape and same size. In congruent figures, the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Congruency in triangles. Triangles are congruent if three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides of the other triangle, side, side, side. Two triangles are equal if any two sides of the first triangle are equal to the two corresponding sides of the other triangle. The included angle of one must be equal to the included angle of the triangle. Side, angle, side. Two triangles are congruent if any two angles of the first triangle are equal to any two angles of the second triangle, and one side is equal to the corresponding side of the other triangle. Angle, angle, side. Like that. Two triangles are congruent if the two hypotenuse and one side of the first triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. Right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Like that. Examples. Name the pairs of congruent triangles. Name the pairs of congruent triangles. So we have the parallelogram PQRS. We have to name the congruent triangles. We'll start with the first one. The first one pair we have is triangle POS is congruent to triangle QOR. They are congruent because their sides are the same. We have side, side, side. QR is equal to PS, OP is equal to OQ, and OR is equal to OS. The next pair we have is triangle ROS is congruent. ROS is congruent to triangle QOP. It is also side, side, side. PQ is equal to SR. OR is equal to OQ. OS is equal to OP. Then the third pair we have is triangle PQS. Triangle PQS is congruent to triangle RSQ. So their sides are also the same. We have QP, which is equal to RS. They have the same line QS, and PS is equal to QR. The last pair we have, which are congruent, we have triangle PQR. That one is congruent to triangle RSP. So those also have sides which are the same. We go to question 2. 2021. Which two triangles below are congruent? Which two triangles below are congruent? We have triangle 1. We'll call that 2. We'll call that 3. And we'll call that 4. So congruency can be direct, where you just slide figures on each other and they are able to fit on each other. Or it can be indirect, where you have to rotate a figure so that it fits on the other exactly. So we'll start step by step. When you look at the first triangle, one thing we have to know is that angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we can always find the third angle, that one, where we'll say 80 plus 70 is giving us a 150. Subtract 150 from 180, you get a 30 degrees there. Then we'll try the third triangle. When you add 70 plus 30, you get 100 degrees. Subtract 100 degrees from 180 degrees, you get an 80 degrees there. So when you rotate this third triangle, it will fit on the first one exactly. That 80 degrees, when you rotate it, will come there. The 70 degrees, when you rotate it, will fit there. And the 30 degrees will fit there. The 4 centimeters will come here, and the 2 centimeters will come there. So the two triangles which are congruent are triangle 1 and triangle 3. So they will look like that. As simple as that.